If there's not a problem, I'm going to tell them there's not a problem, or tell them exactly what the problem is, rather than just trying to simply sell them the product and treat them the way I would want to be treated.
Started to rain on them and everything. They didn't stop working for 1 minute.
I was truly impressed, and I said, now let me call your manager now.
Good service, friendly people.
They do a great job for me.
He was finding the prices were good. He made it easier for my clients, and they were very pleased.
I'm just there to educate them on all their options, exactly what's going on with their house, and I'm not a pressure guy. So I'm there to just show you what's going to take and go from there. This is my 8th year. It's fun. I like to draw and design. I like the engineering aspect of it.
With me, I think the customer experience is honesty. Whenever I go out to their house, a lot of times I find where they have companies coming out just trying to sell them a product, oversell them a product, and I put myself in their shoes.
I've been with Allied for 8 years. It's a good company to work for, good benefits, the company takes care of its employees.
I've been with the company for 15 years. Good company, growing company. What we do, we enjoy, doing home repair. For our area, business is good. We go through drought, rain conditions and things like that, which kind of justify whether or not this work is needed.
I don't think anyone's been with us for less than 7 years. So everyone we've taken in, we have company parties. We go to their christening, their children's christenings. We go to their weddings. We go to there's not too many things where our guys don't extend the invitation to me and Richard, because they want us there, because we've always made them feel like they're welcome to our events.
I schedule the appointments to come check the homes to see what they need. I've been here about 5 years. It's a family-owned business. It just works for me. It's a good job.
I have a lot of customers that I talk with, and they're like, y'all are so nice. You can tell when we're laughing, and then we try not to laugh when we pick up the phone, but sometimes they can tell you're in a good mood. Most people can. My husband grew up with Jason on the same street, which is one of the salesmen. He knows Jabriska. He knows Richard really well. We're all raising our kids together, and working here, we kind of carry that friendship in here as well. And, it makes for a good working environment. And I think that the customers can kind of tell that, when you like where you're at, that they can tell you're not just dreading going to work, and they can kind of see that whenever they're dealing with you.
The foundation wasn't even. I had areas in my foundation that were lower than others, and so my doors weren't fitting right. I had cracks in my walls and things like that. So until I had that fixed, I couldn't do anything else. And I was very happy with them. I mean, they got it all done within, I don't remember the hours exactly, but it was within the whole day. It started to rain on them and everything. They didn't stop working for 1 minute. They were very careful about my plants.
What I liked about the Allied Foundation was 2 things. Number one, the work was done really fast. It was an expedient manner. I didn't have to leave work or be away from my job for any more than about a half a day. So they showed up when they said they were going to show up, and it was done by 1 o'clock. But the professionalism of both the supervisor and the crew was outstanding. You could really tell that they were very proud of their work, and they wanted to make sure that I, as the customer, was satisfied.
Tengo mucha confianza con esta compañía, con sus trabajadores. Son muy respetuosos, trabajan muy honestos, hacen muy buen trabajo.
Tôi rất hài lòng việc làm của công ty. Tôi sẽ giới thiệu những người tôi quen biết.
What I like about Allied Foundation and Richard Pacheco and the staff that works for him, Melanie and Jabriska and Jason, I've dealt with ever since '95, ever since they've been there. And they are very good at coming out, looking at the property, evaluating the situation, and if there's no repairs needed, they tell me that, and they don't charge to go out and look at that and give us that information. My clients have been very satisfied.
Their approach was so professional, and I decided to go with your guy, and it has been no regrets. But when the guy came and saw and accessed and saw what needed to be done, yes, I left them in charge. In a matter of moments, they was calling back. We should be through in an hour, and fewer than 3 hours, they had completed the work.
As far as the people that work here, They have been here for years. Some of them have been here almost 15 years now. And the good thing about it is that they work together as a team. Whether they're in the office or out in the field, they seem to have that one purpose in mind, is to give the customer the best possible experience.